Welcome to EduGlance Apanjikrit Vyapar Chinha. In 2026, the biggest threat to a filmmaker isn't a bad review, it's the back button on a remote. The traditional 3-act structure often leads to a saggy middle that loses viewer. Today, we are mastering the 8-sequence method. By breaking your script into 15-minute self-contained mini stories, you create a rhythmic hook that keeps global audiences glued to the screen from the first frame to the last. Sequences 1 and 2 are your foundation. Sequence 1 shows us who the hero is and, more importantly, what they are missing. But in the streaming era, you can't wait until page 30 for the action. Sequence 2, the inciting incident, must force your hero out of their comfort zone early. You have 3 minutes to hook the viewer's curiosity. If they aren't asking, what happens next? By page 5, they've already switched to another show. This is where most scripts fail. To keep the momentum, sequence 4 must contain a midpoint shift. This isn't just a plot twist, it's a change in the hero's psychology. They stop being a victim of the plot and start driving it. In VisCom terms, this is where your visual scale increases, moving from intimate interiors to larger, high-stakes set pieces. The final act is about emotional and visual payoff. Sequence 7 is your big moment. As a director, this is where your cinematography must be at its peak. But don't just end the story. In 2026, Sequence 8 should leave a thematic breadcrumb, a hint of a larger world. Whether it's for a sequel or just to linger in the viewer's mind, the resolution must feel like a new beginning. Before you yell, action, audit your script. Does every 15-minute sequence end with a question? Are you writing too much dialogue and not enough visual beats? Remember, in VisCom, we show, we don't tell. Use the 2026 tech stack, like AI storyboarding, to visualize these sequences as you write them. A great director starts seeing the film the moment they read the first page.
Don't forget to subscribe to EduGlance for more career-focused videos.